Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about the cp command. The cp command is used to copy files and directories. To do so, you would type the command cp and then space and then the name of the source and then space and then the destination that you want it to be copied to. Right, now let's have an example in this. I'll type ls and now I would like to take a copy of the file 1.txt, which is over here, 1.txt, and take a copy of it to the directory dir4 and enter. Alright, now I'll type cd dir4 to get to dir4 and ls, and you can see that the file has been copied successfully. Okay, now let's copy several files at the same time. Notice that I am in a different location right now. I am inside the dir4 directory and I would like to copy some files. I would like to copy the files 2.txt, 3.txt, 4.txt to a directory. So I will type the command cp and then /root /.txt, and notice that this time I'm typing /root because I'm in a different location. I am in dir4. I am not under /root. I am under directory 4. And of course, directory 4 is under the /root, but these files are directly under /root. They are not in dir4, which I am in right now. So I have to type the full path of the file and then /root /3.txt and /root, sorry about that, /4.txt and then /root /dir4, the directory which I am in right now. So by that I am telling the terminal that I want to copy the files 2.txt, 3.txt and 4.txt that are under /root to the directory dir4, which is also under /root. And in here I have typed the path of the files and the directory because I am in a different location. As you can see here, I am under the directory dir4, and I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll type ls and you can see that it has copied the files for me under the directory dir4 over here. Okay, now there is another way to copy files without having to type this last part of the destination, which is /root /dir4. I want to get a file to copy it to my location without having to type the last part of the destination. So for example, I would like to copy this file over here, file2. I will type cp and then /root /file2 and then space, and then I'll just type a dot and I'll press enter. And this command means to copy this file for me in the directory that I am in right now. So I will type ls and you can see that it has copied for me the file 2 in the directory that I'm in right now. Alright, now I'll clear the page and ls. Okay, now let's have a look at copying directories. You have seen how to copy a file. Let's take a look at how to copy a directory. I would like to copy the directory dir5 to dirc, for example. Let's try typing cp and then dir5 to dirc and enter. And as you can see, it has resulted in an error message, and that's because there is an option that you must add to the cp command if you want to copy a directory. And this option will be -R. So I will type cp -R and then dir5 dir-c. This means that I would like to copy the directory dir5 into dir-c. And I'll press enter. As you can see, there is no error messages. I'll type cd and then dir-c and enter. And now I'll type ls and enter, and as you can see that it has took me to dir-c and it has copied for me the directory dir5 successfully inside dir-c. Okay, now let's have one last example. I would like to copy the directory dir-a, for example, into the directory that I'm in right now, which is dir-c. So there are two ways that you can do it. You can type cp -R and then /root /dir-a and then the destination, which is root and then dir-c, which I'm in right now. Or the second way that you can do it is that you type the same command but without the destination. You'll just add a dot and enter. If you type ls right now, you can see that it has bought for me, it has copied for me dir-a to dir-c, the location where I am in right now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.